Good day, my name is Stefan Griesel, the Director of Trading at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD trading ideas 16 to 23 April 2018. Anglo American, this stock has been the strongest of all the diversified miners. Overall, this stock remains range bound between 265 and 300 Rand, and it has recently gapped higher through 275 Rand. We'd look to buy the stock on a gap fill at 275 Rand for a reversal up from this level. Stop loss at 269 Rand and take profit at 290 Rand. Cash build. This stock has now retraced back to the levels last seen at the beginning of the year. There is a fair amount of selling pressure of late, as evident by the red candles on the chart. It seems that buyers could start to accumulate at current levels, and the fact that the uptrend support seems to be trying to hold could also attract buyers. Look to buy at 450 Rand with a stop loss at 409 Rand and a take profit at 475 Rand. Clicks. This remains one of the strongest retail stocks in the local market, and this stock has not suffered the same level of profit taking as some of the other South African retail stocks. The uptrend from February comes in at 180 Rand. Look to buy the stock at 180 Rand with a stop loss at 175 Rand and a take profit at 190 Rand. JSE. During 2018, this stock looks to have tried to form a large head and shoulders pattern with a neckline at 176 Rand. The price has now moved above the right shoulder at 186 Rand, and it looks increasingly like the head and shoulders pattern has failed and that the price will eventually move to the prior highs of 205 Rand. The price has moved lower from the resistance at 194 Rand, with evident support at 186 Rand and the 50-day moving average providing another element of support. Look to buy the stock at 187 Rand with a stop loss at 181 Rand and a take profit at 205 Rand. Resilient. The stock has rallied and is now bumped up against the lateral resistance level of 70 Rand and has since moved lower. Given the reversal pattern that has formed, it is likely that the stock will drift lower towards 55 Rand. Look to enter a short trade at 65 Rand with a stop loss at 71 Rand and a take profit at 51 Rand. RLO. An inverted head and shoulders pattern is formed and validated, and this points to an upside target of 81 Rand. The stock is retracing, and this could provide an opportunity on the long side as the price moves back towards the lateral support around 77 Rand. The rising 50-day moving average at 75 Rand 50 should also provide another level of support. Look to buy the stock at 76 Rand with a stop loss at 73 Rand 50 and a take profit at 81 Rand. Tiger Brands. The share price of Tiger Brands has recovered 10% off the March lows after the listeriosis outbreak sell-off. The price is now nearing the round figure at 400 Rand, which also corresponds with the underside of the 200-day moving average. A rising wedge pattern has formed over the past few weeks. These are usually bearish continuation patterns, and if they break to the downside, it looks like the stock should go back to the 350 Rand level. Look to enter short at 400 Rand with a stop loss at 425 Rand and a take profit at 350 Rand. Woolworths. This stock has been very weak of late and is one of the weaker South African retail stocks. The price action is established below the 50-day moving average, and it appears there is a rising wedge pattern that is busy forming at present. Long tails to the upside on the recent daily candles indicate that sellers are also active at higher levels. Look to go short at 63 Rand 50 with a stop loss at 65 Rand 50 and a take profit at 59 Rand. Please remember that if you are trading this week, to always manage your risk by using protective stop losses.